Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the world of OSINT open source intelligence. Think of it as digital detective work, using public data to uncover hidden connections. No hacking, just smart searching. Let's jump into my top 10 OSINT tools that can help you find out almost anything about anyone. Number 1 on our list is Maltego, a true powerhouse when it comes to visualizing relationships hidden within complex datasets. Whether you're an investigator, journalist, or cybersecurity analyst, Maltego is designed to help you see the bigger picture by connecting the dots that others might miss. With just a single clue, like a name, email address, or domain, Maltego can unravel a vast web of connections. It can link IP addresses, emails, social media profiles, phone numbers, and even physical addresses, all in a matter of seconds. What starts as a simple search quickly grows into a detailed network map, revealing relationships and patterns that would be nearly impossible to spot manually. The secret sauce is Maltego's transforms. These are automated queries that pull information from dozens of open sources and databases, mapping out links you'd never spot in a spreadsheet or basic database. Each transform can lead to new discoveries, making your investigation both thorough and efficient. For example, start with a company's domain, and soon you're visualizing its entire digital footprint. Staff members, related websites, partner organizations, and more. All of this appears as an interactive, easy-to-navigate graph, making even the most complex investigations manageable. Each new discovery becomes a node you can expand, peeling back deeper layers of information. The more you explore, the richer and more detailed your map becomes, helping you uncover hidden links and potential leads. This visual, hands-on approach makes even the most complex investigations feel intuitive and fast. You can follow leads in real time, adjust your focus, and instantly see how new information fits into the bigger picture. Security professionals rely on Maltego to spot attack vectors, trace the origins of incidents, and map out entire organizations' digital infrastructures. It's also invaluable for journalists and researchers who need to verify connections or uncover hidden networks. That's why Maltego is a staple for anyone serious about OSINT. It's often the centerpiece of a professional's toolkit, trusted for its depth and versatility. There is a learning curve, especially if you're new to network analysis, but the payoff is huge. With practice, you'll be able to turn even the messiest data into clear, actionable insights. Maltego transforms raw, unstructured data into intelligence you can act on. It bridges the gap between data overload and real understanding, making your investigations smarter and more effective. That's why Maltego tops our list of essential OSINT tools. Let's move on to the next one. Number 2 is the Harvester, a focused tool for gathering emails, subdomains, and hosts from public sources. Give it a domain, and it scrapes search engines and services like Shodan for every scrap of info. It's command line based, but don't let that fool you. It's fast and thorough. The Harvester automates what would be hours of manual searching. It's perfect for the reconnaissance phase of a security assessment. Find employee emails, exposed subdomains, and more. Crucial for mapping a target's attack surface. Lightweight, efficient, and a must-have for any OSINT toolkit. That's the Harvester. Number 3 on our list is Shodan, often called the search engine for the entire internet. But what does that really mean? While most people are familiar with Google for searching websites and information, Shodan is a completely different beast. It doesn't just index web pages. It scans and catalogs the actual devices that make up the internet itself. Unlike Google, which focuses on content, Shodan indexes devices, servers, webcams, routers, security cameras, smart fridges, and even things like industrial control systems. If it's connected to the internet, there's a good chance Shodan can find it. You can search by software, country, or open port to find exposed systems. Sometimes shockingly, these devices are left with default passwords or no security at all. This means anyone with basic knowledge can potentially access them. Shodan's powerful crawlers are constantly scanning the web, collecting banners that reveal software versions, device types, and even known vulnerabilities. This data is updated regularly, giving users a real-time look at what's online. For cybersecurity professionals, it's a goldmine for finding weak points in your own network or for seeing what's exposed worldwide. It's a crucial tool for anyone serious about digital security. You can discover everything from traffic lights and power plants to medical devices and baby monitors online. The variety of devices is truly astonishing, and sometimes even a little unsettling. Shodan gives you an attacker's eye view of the internet, showing you exactly what a hacker might see when scanning for vulnerable targets. That's why it's essential for both defense and exploration. Security teams use it to patch vulnerabilities, while researchers use it to understand the ever-changing landscape of the internet. The scale of what's out there is staggering. Millions of devices, all potentially accessible, all mapped out in real time. If you want to see the hidden backbone of the web, or just understand how vast and interconnected our world has become, start with Shodan. It's a window into the unseen infrastructure that powers our digital lives. Now, let's move on to the next tool and see what else is out there. Number 4 is Spiderfoot, your automated OSINT army. Feed it a domain, IP, or email, and it queries over 200 public sources automatically. It's like having a team of researchers working for you, gathering leaks, social profiles, DNS data, and more. Spiderfoot builds a detailed, browsable report and visualizes relationships between data points. You can customize scans or go all in for maximum coverage. For solo researchers, it's a massive time saver. It's constantly updated with new modules, so it never gets stale. Spiderfoot is all about working smarter, not harder. Let's keep going. Number 5 is Reconnaissance, a modular reconnaissance framework for command line pros. It's like building your own toolkit. Install modules for harvesting hosts, finding contacts, or querying APIs. Organize investigations in workspaces, add targets, and run modules in sequence. Each step feeds data to the next, creating a powerful, repeatable workflow. Reconnaissance is scriptable and extensible. Write your own modules for custom tasks. No flashy interface, but unmatched for automation and depth. Perfect for serious, in-depth OSINT investigations. It's a scalpel, not a hammer. If you want professional-grade recon, Reconnaissance delivers. Next up, a technique, not a tool. Number 6 is Google dorking, using advanced search operators to uncover hidden info. Combine operators like cite, file type, and INURL to find exposed documents, login pages, or sensitive data. For example, cite.gov file type PDF finds all PDFs on government sites. The Google Hacking Database is a treasure trove of proven search queries. You don't need special software, just a browser and creativity. Google dorking is often the fastest way to find what others miss. It's a core OSINT skill. Sometimes a few clever searches beat any fancy tool. Master this and you're already ahead. Let's check your digital exposure next. Stay sharp. Number 7 is Have I Been Pwned? A simple but powerful breach checker. Enter an email or username to see if it's appeared in any major data breaches. It's great for personal security, but also reveals which services a target uses. Knowing where an email was breached gives clues about habits and interests. It's a starting point for deeper investigations or password analysis. HIBP is a must-have bookmark for anyone in OSINT or security. It's all about transparency and awareness. Let's move to social media. Number 8 is Social Searcher, a search engine for social media. Search keywords, usernames, or hashtags across dozens of platforms in real time. It aggregates posts, analyzes sentiment, and highlights top users and hashtags. Track brands, campaigns, or individuals. Find reused usernames across platforms. Each new profile adds more data points for your investigation. Premium features let you save searches and set alerts. It's a fast, effective way to scan the social web. In today's world, Social Searcher is indispensable. Number 9 on our list is Creepy, a fascinating yet unsettling geolocation tool designed to map out social media posts and reveal just how much information we leave behind online. By simply entering a username, Creepy automatically scours public posts for any available location data. This includes GPS tags, check-ins at restaurants or events, and even subtle location hints embedded in photos or status updates. The software then plots all these points onto an interactive map, visually revealing a person's movements, where they live, where they work, and the places they frequently visit or travel to, sometimes even exposing their daily commute. You can filter this data by specific dates or time ranges, making it possible to uncover routines, habits, and patterns that might otherwise go unnoticed. It's a vivid, sometimes shocking reminder of just how much we unintentionally reveal about ourselves through casual location sharing on social media platforms. While recent privacy updates and platform changes have limited Creepy's reach, the core lesson remains unchanged. Always be mindful of what you post and which permissions you grant to apps. Creepy serves as a powerful OPSEC wake-up call, reminding us that operational security isn't just for professionals. Anyone can be at risk if they're not careful. Even though the tool is less effective today due to improved privacy controls, the underlying risk of exposing your location through digital footprints is still very real. Take the time to regularly check your digital footprint, review your privacy settings, and think twice before sharing your location online. We're almost at the end. Just one last tool to go, so stay tuned. Number 10 is FOCA, specialized in extracting metadata from public documents. It finds PDFs, Word files, and images linked to a domain, then pulls hidden data like author names, software versions, and even server paths. This info can reveal employee names, internal systems, and potential vulnerabilities. FOCA automates the process, building a profile of an organization from its public files. It's a classic example of overlooked risk. Most people never scrub metadata. Use FOCA to audit your own site or gather intel on a target. It's simple, effective, and eye-opening. That wraps up the list. That's my top 10 OSINT tools. Each one shows just how much is out there if you know where to look. Remember, with this power comes responsibility. Always use these tools ethically and legally. Be aware of your own digital footprint and help others stay safe too. Thanks for watching. Let me know your favorite OSINT tool in the comments. Like, subscribe, and stay curious. See you in the next one.